Hey guys, today I'm making some lockers and school supplies with a bit of a Valentine's Day theme. So lockers, the decor, a backpack, some school supplies, water bottles, notebooks, and some other accessories from other tutorials. If you guys like this video, I would really appreciate if you would click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. And for those of you who'd like to share, I would love to see your crafts. Please tag me on Instagram and I'll totally come check them out. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. Okay guys, I've made lockers before using craft foam, but this time I'm using foam board. I like to file the edges to get them as smooth as possible and assemble. Then just covering the doors with a thin strip of craft foam. I bend some wire for the handle and insert, just adding a heart for detail. And for the hinge, I'm using a wooden dowel and coffee stirrer. I cut it into 3 pieces, glue one end, slide the middle section, then glue the top, making sure not to get any glue on that middle section so that while the top and bottom piece will stay in place, the middle will move. Then I glue the top and bottom to my door and the middle section to the frame so that my door will open and close. And for some locker decor, just using thin craft foam. Which I can glue to the doors. Adding mirrors and some printable pictures and notebooks. And if you don't have a computer, you can also use pictures from newspaper ads. I glue them to craft foam and glue. Then just making a water bottle from a pencil holder, sealing the bottom. Or you can just glue pony beads to craft foam. I'll make a pencil case using fabric. And prevent fraying by using clear nail polish along the top. And for easy notebooks, just adding paper folded accordion style. One way to make pens, just using pins that I insert into beads. And I can leave them as is or add a lid by cutting a Q-tip. Just sealing the top with some hot glue on parchment paper. Or just insert the top section of a pin to a bead. I can make highlighters out of craft foam. And paint toothpicks to create more pens. I can also make pencils, or working pencils, by gluing the tip of a pencil inside of a Q-tip. And to make the fuzzy notebook, I glue 2 pieces of cardstock together, trim, and using pipe cleaners, I fold over the ends so they won't be sharp, and glue. Adding more paper folded accordion style. And for the calculators, if you saw my dog video, you know what I'm going to do, but I'm just taking a small craft foam heart, adding silver paper. I add a face and puff paint for the buttons. And to make the little backpack, I glue 2 pieces of craft foam together, glue another piece around the perimeter, another piece for the front, just gluing it along the bottom, thin craft foam along the top. I bend the edges of another craft foam heart, creating a gap, and glue to the front. Adding polka dots for detail and thin craft foam for straps. I add accessories from this video and others. Guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!